Rise up and shine, a new day is here. The light of hope is crystal clear. From valleys low to mountains high, we'll spread our wings and touch the sky.
Truth over tradition, why the Sabbath still matters. Welcome to New Beginnings Faith Ministries. Today's message is simple. Tradition doesn't override truth. Religion doesn't override righteousness. And Sunday doesn't override the Sabbath. Mark 7:27 says, "Howbeit in vain do they worship me, teaching for doctrines the commandments of men. Too many are following customs instead of commandments." Man-made doctrines instead of God-given instructions. But Isaiah 58:13-14 gives us this promise: "If thou turn away thy foot from the Sabbath, from doing thy pleasure on my holy day, then shalt thou delight thyself in the Lord." The Sabbath is not just a day of rest, it's a divine appointment. It's not about legalism, it's about love, loyalty, and obedience. Jesus kept the Sabbath. The apostles kept the Sabbath. Why? Are we keeping Sunday? Colossians 2:28 warns, "Beware lest any man spoil you through philosophy and vain deceit, after the tradition of men, after the rudiments of the world, and not after Christ." You don't need religion, you need relationship. You don't need Sunday service, you need Sabbath surrender. This is a wake-up call. Come out of man's system and return to the Most High's order. The seventh day was never changed, it was ignored. But now it's time to remember it, keep it holy, and walk in truth. This is New Beginnings Faith Ministries. Choose the narrow way. Choose obedience. Choose the real Sabbath. Shalom.
Rise up, let your spirit soar. Feel the love knock on every door. With faith we move and hearts align. Rise up together, let's intertwine. The seed to grow through trials and pain, it starts to show. From shadows dark to morning light,